Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a really quick little project share video I really want to share with you, and these are some really special little projects that my beautiful niece, she's my only niece from my sister, and it's Amelia, and she is 16. And some of you may already have known about Amelia through a couple of my other previous videos. I had made Amelia a really beautiful special journal for her, which I had so much fun making. If you haven't seen that journal that I made for her, I will put that link down below because it was such a fun journal that I had made that I just thought she would love and keep it as something special for her. And she has received it and has loved it ever since. And then I did make a couple of other little projects for her as well that I wanted to put together. But she had gone through a bit of a little rough patch for a couple of years previously. She's doing so much better now. I'm so proud of her. She has turned out to be such a beautiful, beautiful girl. I call her my princess because she is my princess and my only little princess. And she's been staying at my house for a couple of days for the new year. And she's still here and she's asleep at the moment in the guest room. And she wanted to make some little projects in my craft room, and I just said, you can go ahead and do whatever you want in my craft room. Help yourself to whatever you want to do and whatever you want to make. It's all yours while you're here. And she was so delighted to be in there. And so she made some cards for her mum and her special friend that she has had as just that has made her so happy. And I think she's also made something for herself. So I really just want to show you what she made because I'm just so proud of her. And she was actually very creative when she showed myself and her mum what she made. So let me show you what she's made. She made herself a little tag. And I think this, she did say that this tag was for her special friend, and his name is Zeke. He will turn 16 on the 7th of January. So I think she's made this tag to go along with his gift. So how cute is this? She went through and used some of my stickers, my clear stamp, and I like the idea of what she had done here with the hearts. So she used my heart punch, which is this one, and she's laid it in a really fun paper stack way. So she's done it this way, which I asked her, I'm going to use this as my inspiration to make some embellishment because I'd never thought of doing it this way, and I thought that was very clever. So yeah, she just blew me away with the way she does some of the work here on her little projects. So this is Zeke. So she's put his name on the tag, and she's found another clear stamp that says, "You're my surprise." I have a lot of clear stamps which I haven't even barely touched, and so she had a lot of fun going through all of my stamps, and she came across these ones. And then this side here's blue for Zeke and pink and the blue for Amelia. And then she's found some of my trim to just add that to the tag. And I think she did such a great job doing that. And then she's made a card for her mum, and she came over and showed her mum that she'd made her a card. And she's such a sweet girl, Amelia. I love her so much. So this is, again, she used some of my alphabet stickers. I have a heart punch that she must have grabbed some of my gold glitter cardstock to punch out the heart. Lots of stamping and some more stickers. And she's even gone through my drawer of washi tape, which I'm so glad that she's done that. And so she made use of my washi tape, and it's a little satin bow she finished off in the corner. She did such a great job. And she did some collaging, and I said to her, do you want me to come in here and give you a hand with whatever it is that you wanted to make? And she said, no, I'm okay, Auntie. I'll just play around and make my own. And I thought, okay. And look at this. Isn't this just lovely? I love the way she coordinated the colors with some neutrals and the browns. And she's got some of these textured pieces in here. She used some of my mesh fabric, and some of this stuff has just been laying around on my desk. She must have just gone through my desk and just grabbed bits and pieces. So she's done some collaging, and such a lovely card. And there's a cute little bear Some more collaging here with some of my punches. I have this stamp because I'm going to be doing some more journaling in the new year, so I wanted to, I've got this postcard stamp which I can't wait to use, which will be perfect for some journaling. Some more washi tape. And this washi tape is from Your Creative Studio in one of the monthly kits. And have a look at this. She even made it into a flip card. Isn't she just clever? And I said, how did you manage to come along and was able to make one of these? I think she's got a crafty side to her that she's kept to herself. So she's made it into like a little flip book. Some more stamping. And I love the way she's done all of this. It sort of has that junk journal feel to the card. And everything seems to coordinate so well, so I'm so impressed. Some more, she's done some tearing. And just must have grabbed some of all my little bits and pieces from my desk. And I remember this little envelope. I have had this envelope on my desk for quite some time, so I'm kind of glad she's actually used it. I have a die that shapes this envelope, and I wanted to see the size of it, and I've just not done anything with it, so I'm kind of glad she's actually used it. Some more washi tape, and this is one of the flower dies from ScrapDiva Designs. One of her flower dies. Let me see if I can get the die. 1 second. I think I've got it here, just so you can see. I've got the die in the drawer, but I've got a lot of dies, so I can't seem to find it. But I'll put the link down below to the flower die set from ScrapDiva Designs. It's a really lovely flower die set, and it does sell out really quickly. So I'll put that link down below. And I have a 10% discount code for ScrapDiva Designs if you're interested in purchasing the die. So she's got some Velcro. She hasn't put anything in the envelope as yet, but I think she's going to put a little note in there. She did say, I think she said she may have put something in there, not sure. But beautiful, I love it. And that's the back. Goobs. That is the nickname that her mum calls her. She's so funny. So her mum calls her Goobs or Gooby. Oh, she's funny. So that is the card for her mum. And this is the special card for her friend Zeke. He is such a lovely boy, such a humble, so friendly, very polite, and he has changed her, and she has just been such a happy girl ever since she's been very close friends with Zeke. And his birthday is the same day as my eldest daughter Tiana, so both their birthdays are on the 7th of January. So I think she wanted to make him a special card to go along with his birthday presents that she has purchased or bought for him. And she's got a casual job that she works on the weekends, so she's been saving her money and bought him a special gift. So again, she's added some stickers here, and she must have used my corner rounder punch. She's so clever. You are my happy. And these are just circle shapes using my circle punch. And I love the way she's done that as well. I like how she's just staggered them and stacked them on top of one another to make a corner embellishment on the corner of the card. That's very clever. And this is the inside. She's wrote such a special note for him, and she's got very neat writing. Amelia, you did such a good job. If you're watching this, Amelia, you did so good. So proud of you. So she's wrote him a message. And this is another die. This is a specimen die shape that I have, and I still haven't even used it. I did run through a few of these shapes with some cardstock, which I was going to do some embellishing for some journals. Again, I haven't even had a chance to work with them, but she's gone and must have grabbed one from my stack and just placed it on here, which is all fine by me. So she just used some scraps to just do some collaging, which I think is great. Some more washi tape. that she's placed in the middle, and some more stamping, a little bit of a book page here, and it's just plain at the back. So these are just some quick little projects I just wanted to show you and just share with you that Amelia has been busy working on some cards, and just so proud of her and so glad to see her really happy, and I wish her all the best for the new year, and good luck with her schooling and her future. So Amelia, you did such a good job. I was so delighted to be able to share these with all of my crafty friends here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.